Hello, everybody. Welcome to GPA Innova, DLyte. Welcome to Barcelona. It's a pleasure to meet you virtually. And as you know, maybe DLyte, GPA Innova, and you are here to discover something new from our company. Today, welcome to the worldwide premiere of the DLyte, the presentation of the DLyte desktop series. To this little desktop Pro and the desktop dental. So, first of all, thank you very much to be here today with us. My name is DLyte, and I'm working for GPA Innova for 2.5 years now. I joined this young company in 2018. I say young company because we create our first technology, our first product in 2013, and I'm working now I'm here as a dental product manager. So today, as you can think, I will speak a bit about dental, but the main thing will be to present you the desktop, Pro, and the dental, and of course, I will go deeper here, and I will continue and give you more information about the Pro, also about industrial application. So GPA Innova 2013, with the first product was the Mourois gold machinery. Then we went to the post-treatment. We start to develop revolutionary dry electropolishing technique that is patented since 2015, and we present the first time in the International Dental Show in Germany in 2017. We present our machinery, our system to post-process removable partial denture, as you can see here. And this was in 2017, and since this 4 years ago, now we went to many different markets. We have been working with healthcare company, with aeronautical company, industrial company, luxury company, and watchmaking company. We are working with anybody. Maybe you can see maybe under there something is shiny. We can propose a solution to post-treat this metal device. So today, let's come back. We're going to present you the desktop Pro here, the black one. A small device, a small ultra compact series, and here the dental version. Let me just show you quickly how we do. And then, so as you can see, very compact. I'm sure you know our machinery from the 10D, 100D, and the Pro 500. Here we create a compact machine that you can put anywhere in your office, in any workshop, in any R&D offices. Let me 1 second. So I think it's very fast to use. And so this DLyte desktop, I come back to my point. This DLyte desktop. So you know the 1D, the 10D, the 100D. We wanted to create an ultra compact device that you can put everywhere on a simple laboratory table, on the office, in your kitchen if you want also. We wanted to create an easy and plug and play machinery device that you can access to this technology, this patented, this DLyte technology in a fingertip. We change some features from the 10D 100D that you know. We adapt and we adapt some components to specialize the investment, review the investment, and get the access to the DLyte technology easier, that you can put this machinery everywhere. So when we speak everywhere, we speak about small workshop, dental laboratories with a low metallic production, some research centers, some development departments, and then you will enjoy this disruptive technology. Now we will we'll stream in live a small video, an introduction video about the DLyte desktop, and then we'll come back and we'll continue about, and we will speak about the highlights of the technology, the highlight of the desktop, and what you can do now with the desktop compared to the traditional current polishing technology. So let's come back in a few minutes.
Introducing the new DLyte desktop series, the first ultra-compact metal surface finishing machines in the world. These machines turn raw metal parts into valuable products with an unbeaten cost per piece thanks to our patented DLyte technology. Get ready to automate your metal surface finishing processes and take advantage of all of its benefits. Minimal material removal, geometry preservation, and a brilliant shine up to 10 times faster than any other equipment. DLyte Desktop series are available in two versions: DLyte Desktop Dental, aimed at dental laboratories and designed for the treatment of cobalt chrome pieces such as removable partial dentures, bars, and crowns, and DLyte Desktop Pro, designed for the treatment of a wider variety of materials such as cobalt chrome, titanium, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and nickel to meet all of your production needs. DLyte Desktop series can be easily installed and run at an optimal level thanks to its plug-and-play and intuitive control system, allowing technicians to focus on high-value activities while the machine is finishing the parts. It is accessible to any company because of its compact dimensions, ease of use, and affordable price. Ultra-compact, precise, fast, accessible. Join the metal surface finishing revolution.
Here I am. So this was the introduction about the desktop. So I will go again for this point. So as you can see, we have two versions: the dental one, designing for dental applications, small laboratories, to polish removable partial denture, to polish also, if you're not familiar with dental, some crown and bridges, to polish also some implant bar, and the dental version, it's available for the chrome cobalt pieces only. It will be a closed environment, closed parameters, and at a really affordable price for our dear dental technician. Then desktop one, dental, the green, and the black, the eye-catchy one, the black one, which is the desktop Pro. Why Pro? Because this one is open in terms of parameters and open in terms of metal that you can treat with the machine. We have a never ever ending list of metal, but with this machine you can polish aluminium metals, any kind of series, nickel, also titanium, which is the difference also when we speak about dental. Here, cobalt chrome. If you want to polish some titanium, will be here. Some stainless steel, some nickel chrome for the aeronautics. Okay, aeronautics it's quite big, but here, with this small machinery, you can do some very smaller design of your application. Get to know with the machine, try a bit, see what DLyte can bring to your production, what can bring to your need, how we can meet your specification, your needs on your aeronautical. If I stay to this point, aeronautic pieces, and then of course this will be too small for you. You will know how DLyte work and how the DLyte operation is working, and then you can go to something different. So this is a tool that you can implement in a lab, in the process of polishing, in your research and development project. How can I treat this metal? How can I homogenize the structure, the surface, reduce the roughness? And you can also, these tools here, both of them, can be interesting for some jewelry workshop, some goldsmith workshop, and we can polish brass here. I hope you can see well. If you cannot see very well today, don't worry, this video is recorded and we will send you the link for it. And you can also polish copper, nickel alloys, I say about it, aluminum, hard steel, tool steels, carbon steel with the Desktop Pro. The open environment one, open with a wide range of media, of electrolyte. Let me show you fast. Maybe we can do a zoom here. Here inside this bucket here, you can see the electrolyte, the main component of our technology, which are some very tiny beams, very tiny particles, which are making the magic, let's say. And we have a wide range of electrolyte to treat a many variable metals. Let me close this, I'm coming back. From nickel to aluminum to stainless steel, and also cobalt chrome and titanium. So how we are doing this, let me give you a quick introduction on the technology, this dry electropolishing technique. So we say electropolishing, we have positive, negative, and we are doing an ion transfer. This is what we are doing here. Here. I want to come with me. Here we have, this is a mixer. We have here the positive pole and here the negative pole. So we are doing an electropolishing from positive to negative. We are extracting the ions from the positive to the negative. Here with DLyte, we replace first the liquid by some small particles, which are doing the ion transfer. And we are also playing with the polarity. For a certain amount of time, we'll have the positive here, the positive will be here, and the negative will be here. Then in this moment, we are oxidating the surface of the metallic surface during the positive time. And when we switch the polarities, when the metal pieces goes to negative, so plus minus, when we inverse the polarity, we remove this oxidating layer, and then we are polishing our metals. So the dry electropolishing, the main advantage of this technology is we are not an abrasive technique. We are homogenizing, getting the surface more homogeneous by just removing the peak of roughness. These beams, these particles, when they touch the surface, we just catch an ions, and by catching an ions, we catch a little peak of roughness. So we are preserving all the angle, the shapes, the forms. We are preserving the properties of the metal, the tolerance, the fatigue, the biocompatibility, sorry. And we have also a consistent result from Monday, 6 o'clock to Thursday in the afternoon, or Tuesday, anytime. If you put cobalt chrome pieces like here inside the machine, and you use the same parameters, you will receive always the consistent result, the same result, because everything comes from the main. In order to have the best result with DLyte, it comes from how it was before. So we can polish CNC machining pieces, metallic pieces. We can polish pieces from additive manufacturing. We can also polish pieces from casting, like you can see here, some crowns or bridge from casting, and any other techniques that you know that maybe I don't know. We are here to polish metal. We are here to give a solution to preserve the angles and reduce the roughness of the metal, of the surface, excuse me. So after knowing a bit more about this technique, this technology, this dry electropolishing, this small desktop here were designed to offer to get our user an access to this incredible technology in a small machinery, a small device, a plug and play system, a very intuitive software that you don't need to know about programming. You need to know about programming or how to plug, and you don't need some specific requirements like air connection, big electrical plug. Is just like a small machine, a small mixer, you can say, if you compare to a kitchen device, you can put everywhere. And then when you receive your machine on Monday, 9 o'clock, Monday, 12 o'clock, after a small introduction, small training about the technology, the machine, how to use it, you start to polish, you start to get your first test. We create also a range of holder that you can grab many different pieces. Here is the one as a clamp. Here is an expander, and this is the small mixer that we need to use between two cycles. So we provide, as we said, we offer, with the result of DLyte, is the homogeneous production and also an homogeneous production, the surface and the pollution. We are here to uniformize the result between batch and parts. We meet your specification. We will train you. We'll train you of what you need, what you are expecting from the DLyte. We'll train you how to play with the parameters. We have different features here. We have the voltage. We have some polarity. We have some humidity to play with. This, don't worry, it may be a bit difficult to understand, but we have an incredible customer care team and an R&D behind us, which are here to support you, help you work with this machine. And this device is easy to integrate anywhere. So consistency and durability in the results, fast and accurate. If we speak again, I go back to my dental world. If we speak about SLM removable partial denture cobalt foam to something fully polished and with a mirror finishing, we speak in 1 hour. When we speak about dental, this is a very traditional way of polishing. I did it few months. It's not. You need to be strong to do it every day, and we have a lot of our dear friend of the dentalization who tell us like we are, let's say, highlighting their life now by polishing with DLyte. This multi-step would take now traditionally 40 minutes. We're using some special stones, using some liquid electropolishing, using some rubber, using some brush. All of this can be cut by 2, and we can go 10 times faster by using only this machine, implementing these tools in the polishing step, in the polishing process. And here, when we speak about dental, we remove some toxicity, the toxic side, which is the rubber. Maybe if you don't know if you heard about this rubber polishing, we make a lot of dust. The liquid electropolishing, which is an acid liquid that it's better to don't touch it. And the brush, when the brush and the small air of the brush can fly away in the lab, in the environment. DLyte is a non-toxic, and the desktop also is a non-toxic process that there is no, you can see, we don't recommend it, but I can touch this DLyte. There's no acid. I'm not touching the acid. I'm just touching a small particle. So we are a non-toxic, a clean and safe technology that, as you can see also, for the one who knows a bit DLyte and the 1D, 100D, to remove the bucket of the electrolyte, we change a bit the way of doing it. We have only one connection here. For the one who knows DLyte, we don't have any water or air connection, but just a 3-liter bucket. A 3-liter bucket here that we can handle easier, not even 4 kilos. And then this is fully recyclable. We need to we work, so you can walk, you can speak with your wasted the waste center management you have in your facility, that this has a code and can be recycled easily and treat easily after the usage. We are here, this electrolyte. Let's say it intercepts some small particle. We also create, so after a small bucket we create here, we also improve a bit for the one who knows a bit DLyte, and for the new one, we have a super easy, friendly, intuitive interface, intuitive software that maybe you have assisted before to the Pro 500 presentation. It's a bit the same, but boom, small design. We create something easy to use. For the dental version, we are in the closed environment that the main point is to polish foam cobalt RPDs. We will have three polishing program, and then we will also provide you the new software version, the new program we developed here in Barcelona, in GPA Barcelona. And in the new DLyte Desktop Pro, we have a wide range of parameters and very easy to use. There's many parameters that we will teach you. You will have preset for you, and some other that you can research on it. You can play with the machine, and we can also guide you and help you to achieve your goals. And say it with our customer care team or your direct reseller, your contact from GPA DLyte. So before we reduce the step of polishing, when we speak about something very traditional, when we speak about some multi-step polishing to achieve a goal, DLyte is here as a super finisher and also as a roughness reducer. When we think about additive manufacturing, this incredible technology can allows us to manufacture crazy parts. We don't want to round the edges. We don't want to lose the shape of this. DLyte is here to bring you exactly the same polishing, the same results, preserving the geometry again, the angles, the rest, everything. And we are just removing the roughness here. So something much more smoother here. So when we speak about dental lab, when you are polishing every day this manually for 40 minutes, to get something like this, now the machine, this device can be implemented and let you more time to focus on different things, on something with much more higher value. But be careful. Yes, it's a machine, but it's a combination. When you speak about dental, it's a combination of the savoir-faire of the technician, his experience, and the machine. If you print and you throw it inside the machine, you will, to achieve a good result, you will need maybe few hours working. But if you give the shape, the preparation, which is very important here, the preparation of your pieces here, you give your shape, you give your expertise, how you want to do dental, your clasp, your inside, you clean it, you shape it, the machine, the DLyte, the desktop will do the rest. So, very small, very designed, office friendly, you can put it everywhere, even in a very big open space. There is no smell, there is no noise. Before I was working with the machine, you don't hear anything. There is no smells, no noise, no projections, no hazard, no chemical, no liquid waste, just some very thin bins. Of course, let's be careful because if it's thin, the slippery is easy, but it's something here for you to integrate easily inside any process, inside any labs, inside any workshop. You can put it anywhere. It's about 30 kilos, the machine. We designed some tools for you. So it's a plug and play machine. Yes, it's a very high technology, a very high revolutionary technology, a very high post-treatment, something totally new, but we are speaking about the plug and play machine. And here, so now, of course, we have to think about costs. Compared to the the series 1, the 10, and the 100, or the Pro 500, which is different. When we want to implement this technology, we need to think about an investment plan. We have higher investment with the compact series, and here with this ultra compact device, the investment has been think differently. This is this is a device that can help you, that can give you the step to go after on a 1D, a 10D, a Pro 500. You can play with this machine for a few months, make your research, make the first results. You can call us, of course, and we are here to help you. And this is the first step to get to know what is the dry brushing. This is something totally new that maybe you didn't hear about it, but this is dry brushing that we need to play with it, need to control it. For example, when we speak about something be it surgical like an implant bar, we have to be careful on no damaging anything. We speak about an implant, but we can speak about any medical implants, of course a bit smaller. You can play with it, try to get your recipe, your result, your first result, and when you find it, then you can do the next step and go to the bigger device and now implement the dry brushing. Of course, not our small desktop, but a big dry brushing machine as a Pro 500 inside your production process from A, manufacturing, B, producing, and then C, to the testing, the step before sending your parts, for example, or before doing another treatment on your pieces. In terms of cost, we are lower than 10,000 euro here in the dental machinery, and a bit higher here, less than 15,000 euro here, depending what you want to do with this machine, how you're going to use it. This is a cheap, affordable, for this word, affordable way of treating your part, post-treating your part, and the cost per piece is lower than other technique, as we are doing something very fast. In 1 hour, we go from something additive surface to the additive result, additive mapping with a bright polishing result. Yeah, we are here an unbeatable cost per piece, and we compare our technology with other technology. Even if we are unique, we have to understand what is the market. And in the research we have done, we are 10 times, this process is in average 8 to 10 times faster, 10 times faster to other technology. So yeah, I'm saying a lot of good things, but the best thing is to try it. You can try it. We are now because of this the situation we are living now, we are doing some tour in Europe. Yeah, we have a small van and we put some of our machinery, and we are meeting our client on the road and do some tests in front of your house, in front of your office. And you can also contact us directly, that we can play a bit. You can send us any parts you want to polish, any project you have, call us, explain to us what you want to do and how DLyte can help you. Maybe this machine can be integrated in your R&D center, in your laboratory to play by yourself on the machine, or we can also guide you to a different device, a different range, different product, like the 10 or the 500, for example. This machine can be put everywhere. There is only one easy 220 volt electrical plug. As we say, no air, no water inside this machine. Just a very small bucket, an electrical plug to the bucket with one holder, and let's go. We start. So conclusion, we want with this machine, this small desktop, we want you to get access to our technology. We want you to experience what DLyte can bring to you, to your piece, to your day-to-day activity in a lab, to remove this dirty job of manual polishing, in other applications as medical or aeronautic, to try and see what the dry electropolishing can offer to your metal production. Here, the desktop will be the perfect use to get to know, as I say, to get to know this technology, how it works, how you can play a bit with some very small pieces. So this desktop is here, as I just said, for you to experience what is DLyte. And we are here we combine all our technology, all our efforts, all our strength from the R&D teams, from all the team, from our production, from everybody in GP Nova. We wanted to create these tools for you, for everybody who knows DLyte, maybe saying, wow, DLyte is very good, but I don't see the investment is not here today to try, because I've seen the 10 lead already. No, now you have something as a low investment rate to play with it, to try. And for the lab, the dental lab, we are here. We know that you were interested about DLyte. We know that maybe it was not the device for you because I'm doing maybe 2 or 3 per day. I will not invest on a big machine. It's here for you. This is all the strength for all the GP Nova team from Barcelona, from Miami, from Shenzhen in China. We were all in the same place to provide you this small machinery. Now it's ready, it's on the market, and let's go. You can contact directly your local distributor, local reseller. We have more than 30 partners, 30 to 40 partners in the world where you can contact them. They know about it, they're waiting for you. You can contact us for any application. We speak many languages, as you can imagine. Feel free to send us any question. I forget to say, now we have a bit of time that you can ask any question. We are here to answer to you now a bit. And feel free, please feel free. Don't hesitate, try and contact us. And we are here to offer you this technology, and we want to see you, because now with this situation we cannot see in the fairs. Maybe it will start soon, but we are here for you. This machine is here for you. Please contact us. Thank you very much. Voilà. Quand vous avez des questions, I'm lucky there's some French one. Combien de temps pour polir un stellite? So I answer in French and in English. Pour polir un stellite, il nous faudra, comme toute DLyte, une 1D, une 10D, une 100D, environ 1 heure. Après, tout se joue à la préparation. Si vous travaillez un petit peu plus votre surface, vous pouvez gagner un petit peu de temps avec la machine. Mais on va parler de 1 heure qui peut être optimisée sur 45 minutes, 1 heure. Pour un stellite en cobalt chrome, pour un stellite en titane, qui sera cette machine ici, on parlera sur un peu plus 1h10, 1h20. Sorry, in English. The question was how much time we need to polish. Wait, I put here. To go from the sandblasting RPD to a fully polished RPD. We took from this step to this step, we speak about 1 hour, depending of the preparation. The preparation is this abrasive step. Here is not abrasive, it's electropolishing. We are just polishing some. We are electropolishing. Sorry, excuse me. Thank you, Julie. We are just electropolishing the surface. We are reducing the roughness. We are not hitting the metal. We are just touching the metal everywhere. So from here to here, 1 hour. Then second question in French. With how much polishing I can do, cycles I can do with 1 bucket of electrolyte, we speak in the dental world with 50 hours. If we assume, that's in French, sorry, if we assume this is 1 hour, you can polish with 1 bucket, 50 of this. Then you can optimize a bit the time by reducing or preparing a bit more in advance. In French, combien de polissages qu'on peut effectuer par saut? Environ 50. Si on parle de 1 heure, un polissage pour arriver ici est de 1 heure. Un saut sera utile pour 50 heures. Après, comme on l'a pas juste avant, on peut optimiser un petit peu en donnant un petit coup de fraise rose un peu plus en avant, ou en optimisant un peu son sablage. Then, in English, can you fix only one piece into the machine independent of the size? Can you place for 3 2 stacks in one time? We can, I don't have the last version here. We can here, with this one, we can put only one RPD. Up, up. We can put one. Here, look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 elements on this bridge, and you can put with not this folder, another one here, and a second one here. So we can put in terms of crown and bridge 2 elements. So the 3 2 stacks, yes, we can do it. Here I put 5. Yes, we can. I want to see the movement. Okay. I show you. I'm not sure if the camera can reach this point. If not, I will try to mime it for you. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see here. Okay, this is good. So basically, let's say, so here's the mixer. We are doing the movement of, I go on this way, like on the diagram. We do something like this, and up and down. We are doing something like this, like, and on the other side, we have only one motor with a sort of small knee that we are up and down like this. How to add distilled water during the process? So every time, as you heard, we don't have any water connected here or any air. We are speaking here of a semi, and here on all the same for the Pro, the Dexter Pro. We are, every time we do a cycle, you polish your pieces. Every time we do a cycle, we need to keep the good way, the good amount of conductivity inside the bucket. For the one who knows, I think Laszlo, you know, we need to put here some water, exactly, to keep the conductivity and the amperage inside. Yep. So we do one cycle of polishing of 1 hour. Then the machine, in order to be sure that this is moisturized enough and have the same conductivity and repeat the result from cycle to cycle, we need to ask, the machine will tell you, give me a bit of water, a certain amount of water. I will put it here. We introduce it inside the bucket, and then we'll do. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, sorry. Then we'll do a maintenance program with this mixer, and for 10 to 20 minutes, the machine will mix the electrolyte, moisturize it, and also cool down the electrolyte. And then we can repeat. We can start with a new cycle. So how to add it? We add it manually, and the machine tells you how much, what is the amount. Okay. So can I polish the removable partial also with resin and artificial teeth when they are non-conductive, should not be damaged? This is true. You can, of course, you can polish. You can put the fake teeth here. Maybe I have one here. I could put this directly inside the machine. But then when we fix, as you have seen on the video, and I'll just show you, we clamp it on the mesh here. We clamp it on the mesh, because where we clamp it, there will be no polishing, there will be no conductivity. So of course, if we speak about the reparation that you need to do on your labs, of course you can clamp it maybe on the palatine area here. But then you will have a mark which is not polished. So yes, you can do it in some time if you want to work like this. Of course, you can do it. Then here we have some plastic bins, of course. We have a solution inside. Maybe the fake teeth, which are not conductive, will not like it, but you can do it. We have some clients who do it in some times when you have the reparation. And for the bridge framework with ceramic, once again, metal crown, yes, here. I don't think it would be good to put the ceramic inside. As we said, there's a little heat inside, a little bit. So I don't want you to break the ceramic because of the heat that you can see inside. It doesn't go more than 30, 40 degrees, but I don't advise you to put the ceramic directly inside. On the other way, you can protect the inside of your crown. And because, yes, we are not abrasive, we are polishing. Polishing means removing materials. We are removing some microns of materials. But if you want to be sure and protect the inside, you just put some wax inside or some resin. Donc, la seule chose qui différencie les deux machines est le logiciel. En partie, oui. Ici, on a fait quelque chose qui est plus abordable en termes de prix et qui est simplement pour polir du cobalt chrome. Nous ne pouvons pas polir du titane avec cette machine. Cette machine est faite simplement pour le cobalt chrome. Ici, elle peut polir le cobalt chrome et le titane. Vous aurez accès à des paramètres qui sont prédéfinis, qui ne pourront pas échanger. Nous vous donnerons des nouveaux qui apparaîtront si on dans le développement des nouveaux. Ici, vous êtes complètement libre d'utiliser la machine comme bon vous semble. Vous avez des paramètres qui sont libres pour vous et vous pouvez utiliser différents, je me répète, paramètres et aussi différents électrolytes comme du titane, du cobalt chrome, un cobalt chrome mix ou un titane un peu différent aussi, un autre titane qui est aussi mix. Thank you very much, mentioned. Can I adjust the speed? Yes, we have 3 speed, low, medium, high. Like the 1, 10, 100, low, medium, high. Low, sorry, medium, and high. Of course, it depends on the shape. If you have something like this, a bit delicate in brass, maybe we'll use the low one. But if we have something robust like this, we can go in the high one. When it reaches 50 hours, the machine will tell you, once it reaches 50 hours, will it stop? The machine, if you start a program at 49 hours and 45 minutes, the machine will not stop. But you will be warned before, around 45, 48 hours, the machine tell you, be careful, we are reaching the maximum charge, the maximum hours of polishing, be ready to replace the DLyte. Is it possible to remove the mechanical parts inclusive mixer motor for cleaning? This is a good question and I don't understand it. Is it possible to remove the mechanical parts inclusive mixer motor for cleaning? So if you speak about polishing the inside, we can try to play with it. If you speak about the inside of this mixer motor, mechanical parts, we can play with the inside if we have a high diameter. If we have something very thin, this will not be the right device to polish it. I'm sorry because I don't have this exact answer here. Jeremy, how many partial framework would you recommend to run with a dental version per day? It's a good question. I think it's Benjamin we met already. This here, both of them. As we say, we are here the ultra compact machine. We have also, as you know, the 1D, the 10D, the 100D, which are a bit bigger, which have a bigger volume, bigger capacity, and automatized. So here we recommend to use this machine for a production of 5 per day. For 5 per day, maximum, not maximum. It's a recommendation. If one day you have 6, it's okay. Why? To implement it in your workflow of every day, we need to do, we have 1 hour polishing, 20-minute pause. 1 hour polishing, 20-minute pause. After 5 hours, we have 5 hour polishing and more than 1 hour and a half of pause. So if you overpass this 5 per day, maybe it will not fit inside your time and inside your schedule of, I receive a job on Monday, maybe I receive 3 on Monday and I have to send them on Tuesday. And then I also have to do this and this and this. Maybe it will, if you overpass this 5 per day, 5, 6 per day, maybe this will not be the right device, or you need to have a second one. or we go to the different one, which is the 10D, the 1D. 1D is the can polish also 1 per hour, but it's fully automatized, and the 10D 3 per hour. So we recommend to use this device, for a pollution monthly of 40-50 RPD per month. Yeah, quickly. I'm getting dry. I can write. Thank you, Shinji. Orientation de la machine. Quel est le coût financier pour le polissage d'un DLyte? Bon, comme je vous l'ai dit, je vous laisserai aussi vous rapprocher de nos partenaires en France. Là, ce que je pourrais dire, on est sur un prix qui est jusqu'à 50-70% moins cher qu'un polissage manuel. Je vous laisse faire, vous devez avoir en tête le prix d'un polissage manuel. We are reducing from the traditional polishing cost. When we speak about dental application, we reduce the cost by 50, depending also this machine, if the one, the desktop, the 1, the 10, and 100, from 50 to 80% of the cost per piece. So the polishing cost will be 80% cheaper than your traditional maximum, 80% cheaper than the traditional way, and also you will have free time. Autre que le fait de parler d'argent, de coût, on libère un temps qui est précieux en ce moment, surtout en ce moment, quand on a envie d'être un petit peu faire d'autres choses que de faire du polissage. Ici, on vient mettre un DLyte dedans, dans la machine, pendant 1 heure, et à la fin de cette heure, pendant cette heure, vous avez pu vous consacrer à quelque chose d'autre, monter une céramique sur un bridge, designer d'autres sites pour demain, préparer ses préformes pour la suite. Speaking French, sorry. Et sur des machines comme les 1, les 10, les 100, un peu plus grosses, imaginez que vous pouvez en mettre 3 dans un cycle de 1 heure ou 9 dans un cycle de 1 heure, vous libérez un temps énorme. Vous allez économiser de l'argent et aussi gagner du temps. So what I was speaking in French, if we speak, of course, in the dental world, we speak about the cost per piece, but we have to think about the time we got now, the new time we have. When you can polish 1 hour for 1 hour, you are not polishing. You don't spend time. You do something else. You can design your next RPD. You can say, you can accept more job. You can prepare. You can do your design of tomorrow. You can do some ceramic. You can work a bit on the bridge, on an implant. And here we are polishing 1 per hour, but with the 10, we are polishing 3 per hour, and the 100, 9 per hour. So imagine the amount of time per month, per year, you are saving. Exactly. Michel, if you use this way, I have to make a pause for the device after each process. Exactly. As is the semi-automatical version compared to the 1 and the 100, we are polishing for 1 hour, and then we are creating a heat inside, and we are polishing. So the heat, we decrease a bit the humidity. In the other compact series, the injection of water inside the electrolyte is automatic. Here, you put a volume that the machine tells you to put, and it will tell you how long it needs to rest. And then with the mixer will moisturize and cool down the electrolyte. Here in the 10D, Luis, here in the 10D, I have to change the whole container. Is it the same here? Yes, after, depending what you say about container. In the 10D, you have the cathode, the mesh you have inside. And this, if you take care of it, you don't need to change it for years. And you're just changing the electrolyte, the particles. It's the same here. After 50 hours, you empty the electrolyte, and you receive another bucket. You take off the cathode, you put in a new bucket, and you put the electrolyte. Same idea of the one, the 10 in John bed. We keep the cathode clean. We have to be careful with this. That's why we create these tools here, like the same as we have in the compact. The checking tools, if you feel if it fits inside, there is no risk for the cathode and no risk for the machine. Do we have any other question? Hormis le sable, quelque chose doit-il être changé périodiquement? Hormis le sable, nous avons cette pièce, le holder, que nous usons facilement en utilisant, parce que nous devons, nous devons serrer, pincer, tourner, enlever, tourner. Donc cette pièce s'use avec le temps. Donc nous devons changer l'électrolyte toutes les 50 heures, et cette pièce, selon la manière dont vous la traitez, peut être changée tous les 6-8 mois. Ici, les maintenances, I finish in French and I do it in English about maintenance. Les maintenances sont simples. Nous avons essayé nous avons designé une nouvelle façon de faire les maintenances sur la machine. Bon, vous ne pouvez pas le voir ici, mais là, nous avons une sorte de boîte noire. S'il se passe quelque chose, la machine est connectée sur Internet. Nous pouvons prendre le contrôle, faire un diagnostic et voir qu'est-ce qui se passe en termes de software. Et si on voit que on a un souci sur du hardware, on ne va pas perdre de temps à changer quelque chose. On enlève la black box qui est derrière, on en met une autre. Donc, on a une réparation, une assistance qui est rapide en hotline, en remote. On peut, depuis un ordinateur, regarder, diagnostiquer ce qui se passe dans la machine. In English, in terms of maintenance, this machine is connected to the internet. If something happened and you have a question, you can call your reseller or you can call us directly. We can connect from remote inside the machine, do the diagnostic. If we see there's something you can repair with some update of the software or something we have noticed, and we can tell you, we'll explain to you. If it's something much more about the hardware, here, when you see the screen, there's a black box here that we can remove, and then we send you another black box that you put inside, put a code, and we start again. So that's why we are working with a strong network of partners which are in possession, which have this machine, and also the knowledge to support you, repair and fix the machine, and also which will be in possession of the black box here. So, do we have any more questions? Thank you very much. It's the first time I had so much question. So, thank you very much to you, to everybody. I think we are arriving to the end of the webinar. We can discuss this. The last one. So, how we stock the electrolyte? You will receive like a small bucket sealed that you need to put in something, an ambient atmosphere, not too cold, not too hot, just normal place. Comment on le stocke? Vous recevez un seau qui est scellé avec du plastique qui est scellé, un peu plastique, que l'on conserve dans un endroit ambiant, ni trop chaud ni trop froid. Je crois qu'on arrive à la fin. Je ne sais pas si on va m'occuper. I don't know if they will distill water. Sorry, I think the application will cut me because we arrived to the 1 hour. So we have all your questions. We'll contact you one by one. You can receive. We'll contact you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us. Feel free to call your reseller, your local partner in your country. And it was a pleasure to present you this new DLyte Desktop Dental and Desktop Pro. We are here, as we said, we want you to try it. We made it for you. Please try it. Feel free. It's free to try. Contact us and we are here for you. We want you to try DLyte and see what we can do for you, and see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.